Namaste guys, in this video I am going to show you how to make this complex shape in Solidworks as you can see. So let's get started. Click on the new part, click on part, OK. After that select the front plane, click on sketch, press Ctrl+8 for normal screen to the view. Draw a cone shape here. The dimensions are the cone shape, sorry I accidentally exit. So the dimensions are 180 mm and 60 mm. Now go to features, click on revolve workspace, select this line, click OK. After that select the front plane again, click on sketch, press Ctrl+8 for normal screen to the view. Now again draw a cone, but this time a little change. This cone is basically going to define the path in which we are going to bend this. Okay, and give it the same dimensions, that is 180 mm, sorry 180 mm, and this length is 50 mm. Go to features, click on revolve workspace, select this line, click OK. After that select the front plane, click on sketch, draw a line here, press escape, exit the sketch, again select the front line, click on sketch, draw a line here, press escape, exit the sketch. Now go to surfaces, click on swept surface, select this line and select this line as a path. Go to options, click on specified twist value, click on revolutions, enter the number of revolutions is 2, click OK. After that go to features, click on split line, select this, and in the second select this, click OK. Okay, split line, first make sure that this point and this point make coincide here. If not, the command is not going to work. Now go to here, click on project curve, click on split line, select this and this one. As you can see, now this command is working, click OK. After that go to sketch, click on 3D sketch, select this line, go to convert entities. Now exit the sketch mode. Select the surface command, click on hide, and the extrude command also click on hide. Okay. After that select the front plane again, click on sketch, draw a straight line. Make sure it touches the bottom of it. Now exit the sketch mode. Go to features, click on insert, click on features, click on deform. Select this line and this line. After that go downwards, click on uniform. Select the body. Now move downwards, click on curve direction. Here you can see, but if you see closely you can see the surface is not smooth. So to smooth the surface just click and move this forward, and here you can see it gets a good surface finish. Higher you move it, higher you will get surface finish, but the problem is with that it will increase the load on a PC, so choose as per your requirement. And here are the different kind of surfaces. You will see the quality here, what kind of impact is done. You need basically good graphic card to see what they can do. Now click OK. So here we have made our shapes. Now hide the sketches. So this is how we made this complex shape. You can this is basically a shape like a cow horn or Okay, a cow horn, you can make this shape, or a deer horn, similarly you can make this shape. I hope you like this video. If you have any doubts and queries, make sure you ask in comments. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Namaste.